Hi, I am Caro, and on today's video I am sharing with you my yoga mats, which are finally ready. I've been working on these yoga mats for almost 2 years. They are finally ready, and on today's video I'm sharing with you the mats, what they are made out of, and the process of making them. And we are shooting this video at Maha Rose North here in upstate New York in a beautiful dome. So stay tuned if you want to learn all things yoga mats. So these are the yoga mats, and the yoga mats are made out of two different materials. The top surface is a recycled soot, and recycled soot is made out of recycled plastic bottles, water bottles, and soda bottles. And this soot is also recyclable. And the back of the mat is made out of tree rubber, which is biodegradable, and these two different surfaces are actually not glued together. There's no solvent putting them together. It's actually just heat that was used to put them together, so that makes your yoga mat free of any solvents. So in the very far away future, when you want to get rid of your yoga mat, you can actually just peel them apart from each other and get rid of them in different ways. So the suit is absolutely amazing if you are someone who loves doing either hot yoga, if you live in a very humid climate, or if you sweat a lot during your practice. As the suit gets grippier, the more that you sweat on it. And if on the other hand, you're someone that stays very dry during your practice and you don't sweat a lot and you have a little bit more of a dry skin, the way that I suggest to use the mat is to have a little spray bottle with just water and spray it a little. And for cleaning, you can just use a cloth with water and it cleans very fast. The recycled suit has my artwork print on it, and it's been printed with water-based inks. And the yoga mats have been manufactured sustainably and ethically in China. And it's been wonderful to be in contact with the manufacturer that I'm working with, because they've been super transparent about the processes, the materials that they use, the factory, how the relationship with the employees goes. I've been sent a lot of videos of the process of making the yoga mats, and it's just been super beautiful to learn how they work, and that's why I chose them as my company for manufacturing the yoga mats. I first worked for some samples with other companies, both based in the US and in China, but I realized they were not the correct ones for my yoga mats because I was looking for something very specific, and the manufacturer that I ended up working with ended up being the best one that really, you just know when something is right. And yeah, that's a bit about the supplies and where the mats are manufactured. And to share a bit about the story behind the painting and the mat themselves, this yoga mat painting for me is a love letter to Earth. I really see my artwork as a love letter to the world. The best thing that I can do to show nature how much I love it is use my paintings to reflect how beautiful nature is. And not to make this video last forever, but I just wanted to share with you a bit on the image. There is a lot of fauna, a lot of flowers and fungi that I used for this painting. Some of them are my favorite, and they are known to be both medicinal flowers and medicinal mushrooms, and you can learn more about the specific ones that are portrayed here on the website for the pre-sale. And last but not least, the pre-sale of the yoga mats is starting today. So if you want to get one of these, you can go to my website to learn more specifications about them, to get one of them in the pre-order. And I might be making another sale of the mats next year, but this will be the only sale for this year. So yeah, that's everything. So I really hope that you like this yoga mats. I am very happy with the results, and it's been a lot of heart put in this process, and I hope that this is something that you can see and feel when you take a look at these yoga mats. I am very stoked with how they turned out and to see them in real life. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you like these mats. Feel free to ask me any questions that you have on the description box of this video. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see you very soon on another video. Bye!